Hey everyone, Marine here for Hello Bluebird with a cute and magical Christmas card featuring a holiday fairy and 3 elegant unicorns. The other day I was searching through my Hello Bluebird collection when I came across those unicorns and I thought they would be perfect to stand in for the reindeers. I started by cutting a large panel out of Bristol cardstock and I'm going to use those oak sidings, Stormy Sky, Faded Jeans, Chipped Sapphire and Black Soot to create a night sky. I'm first applying Stormy Sky at the bottom of my panel. Next, I color the remaining white space using Faded Jeans. I add Chipped Sapphire at the top of the panel. And finally, I applied a tiny little bit of Black Soot at the very top to darken my night sky even more. To create stars, I'm splattering water on the paper using a small brush. And now I'm dabbing the water with the paper towel. Fairies and unicorns are magical, so I definitely needed sparkles. So I'm just splattering liquid stardust all over the panel to create a bunch of shiny stars, or maybe it's fairy dust. But it was still a little bit too flat, so I ended up adding wet drops on my panel for more contrast. Next, I placed my panel and sentiment in my Misty tool. I'm using this anti-static powder bag so the embossing powder won't stick where I don't want to. Next, I stamped my sentiment Merry Christmas on the paper using clear embossing ink. And I do it twice to get a very nice impression. Now I'm sprinkling gold embossing powder on the ink. And finally, I melt the powder using my heat tool. I used several stamp sets to make this card. I stamped them on Nina Solar White cardstock using Memento Tuxedo Black ink. And now I'm coloring them using my alcohol markers. The trees and string of lights are from the O Christmas Tree stamp set. The fairy is from Fairy Garden. The unicorn is from the Unicorn Tales stamp set. The sleigh is from North Pole Littles. The Christmas hat is from the Snow Play stamp set. And the bow ties are from Autumn Gatherings. When the coloring was done, I fussy cut the sleigh so I could replace Santa with the fairy, so Santa can go have some rest, and now I'm just erasing the black lines using a white Posca pen. And next I'm going to add accessories to the unicorns and fairy. I'm also attaching the fairy inside of the sleigh, and then I can stick all the trees at the bottom of my panel using glue dots. I trimmed off the trees, placed the fairy and unicorns on my panel, and attached them using a combination of glue dots and foam squares. One of the final steps was to link each unicorn to the sleigh, so I'm simply using silver thread to do this. Next, I'm coloring the string of lights using a gold gel pen, and I'm also applying clay shimmer to the unicorn's tail and mane. Finally, and as always, I added white highlights on the images and also white Blizzard Novo drops to the lights to make them sparkle. And that's it, my card is done. I hope you like the idea of replacing Santa and the reindeers. Thank you so much for watching. Have an amazing day. Bye!